Okay, what I'm attempting to do is trying to keep the same amount of material all the way across. I got these two in. I still got to do this one and then these ones. I'm hoping that I ain't taking too much material, because then it's going to be super tight. I would have to try and put it up in the sun. And one buddy of mine said, well, once you get it up and close, you can take a heat gun or a hair dryer and hopefully stretch the material enough to where it locks in place, and then let it cool down and leave the top up for a while to where it will form a memory. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna try and get all these holes done first, then I'm going to take it back off. And I did get a can of spray adhesive, so we're going to give that a go. I'm using just a small screwdriver to find the hole, put a hole through the material, then putting the rivet in place just to hold it there, kind of, you know, like that. Okay. So, you know, what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take it back off, and I'm just going to spray this part with adhesive. And the top, let it tack up for about 5 minutes. Put it all back together, and then bring it up and see if I can work at these corners, because I'm thinking I may have to, you know, do a little bit of stretching with it, a little bit of changing. So we'll see what happens. So we got to give this some adhesive and some. That's why I got this on here, so I can, if I won't get it on the paint. This paint ain't great anyway. Ken doesn't like to spray sideways. So we'll let that sit up for a bit. Okay, it's been only a few minutes, so, but I did grab some paint. Paint this up, but it's sticky. What do you freaking know? Me like a dummy. Got paint on my fingernails. But let's see if we can get this thing in place. We're going to start with the center, I guess. And try and line up the holes as best as I can. try and bring the top up toward the front of the car. Or oops, knock that over. Yeah, see what I'm saying is I need to know how much stretch I need to get this way. As you can see, this is what I mean. I need to be able to pull this down and around and secure it. So, but we are close. I wonder how close we are here. Yeah, we are real close here for the top. To put the snaps. It has a couple pieces of fabric that I gotta put snaps on. Same with the back bow, which isn't about the right position. What I think I'm gonna do, I am getting hot, real hot. What I think I'm gonna do is I might fight with this corner first, and then get with that corner, and then see what if I can get that seal in. I'm getting irritated. I had this side stitched, and what do you know? I go over there and started tearing the stitch, so I'm going to hand stitch it myself. So that'll be later, and I'll fight with this because I can't do these front corners until that's stitched. I could probably do this side, but I'm thinking that the top, I mean the glass is ain't sitting bad. This is supposed to be on the inside, but like that, I think. But there she be, kind of, sort of. Not the prettiest right now. But I'm going to snap this side up, roll this window up, and see what it looks like. Okay, well, I got to redo this snap. It done broke off. It's stuck right there, so no big deal. Right here is where it's starting to tear. You can see, or not tear, but the threads are coming undone. I should have had them do this side too. I'm just going to re-stitch it from here forward. But yeah, we are getting closer. Get this thing looking a lot better. I think I might need to adjust the adjustment side to side with the bows, but yeah, it'll come whenever I get to it. Yeah, I got the corners done. I ain't sure if that's the way it's supposed to be done. I still got to put this strap coming around. I did that on the other side, but I didn't tuck that one under, so I'll probably have to trim it. I don't know. Never done this before, but it's not too bad for a rookie. Like I said, it's just a preservation, not a restoration. That may come later in life, but not right now. It's just so I can get her on down the road. So I'm going to put that, snap that, rivet that strap in place, fix this one button, and the sun's going to be coming up soon. It's about 9 in the morning here, and we're going to try and let the sun form this thing through the day while it sits. I'm going to try and get the seal back in place also, and snap the top down. Alright, well, I got her. She's pretty snug. Got a couple wrinkles here, but I think that's going to work its way out. as the sun comes up and stretches, you know, softens the material and stretches it, you can see how tight that button is. I got the front corners done, got the seal in, and now it's just a matter of just let it heat up and form. You can see this side's a little better, a little smoother, that window, but hey, it is what it is. You know, the way I look at it, it's a freaking top. So whenever I'm out and it starts to rain, I'm not going to get wet. But hey, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. Click that subscription button. It's right down there. It don't cost you anything. And plus, hit the bell notification and click all. That lets you know whenever I post new content. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you on the next adventure.